What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this year has been kind of boring when it came to releases. Like, not too many pairs have dropped this year that I just really wanted for my collection. There was a few that stood out, but as a whole, like 2024 was kind of just boring when it came to Jordan releases. But like I said, there were a handful of shoes that did drop that were on my radar, and they're still dropping. Like, for instance, what I got in hand today, the Olive 9s. This pair has been on my radar for a long time. I had them at one point, got rid of them, now I'm got it back again. I don't plan on getting rid of them this time, so hopefully that I keep that promise to myself and keep these in my collection, because I do miss the pair I had. But that being said, let's get into this review, man. So I've jumped. The size tag does read Air Jordan 9 Retro. The colorway is black, true red, light olive. And it is a size 11, my true personal size. Get y'all a better look at that size tag real quick. All right, boom. So enough about the size tag. You know, the box is plain, simple Jordan box that a lot of retros have been coming in lately. Like a lot of the other numbers besides 1s and 3s and 4s as well have been coming in boxes that look like this. So nothing special about the box. Let me show you, get y'all a look at the box. But like I said, nothing special about it. Just a plain retro Jordan box that a lot of shoes been coming in recently. But boom, I'll jump. You get like this little black trash bag material paper that comes inside the box that a lot of shoes been coming with as well. But then you got this, in my opinion, very, very, very beautiful sneaker. Now, I know a lot of people don't like this newer release because of the colorway. In their opinion, looks more brown than an olive color. Now, I do kind of see it, but at the same time, it's more closer to the OG pair that came out in the 90s as opposed to the pair that came out in 02 and then again in 2012. So this is like supposed to be more true to the OG. I don't like how dull the leather looks on this shoe. Like, it could be a little bit more vibrant in my opinion, but maybe that's another thing that's going true to OG. I never had a pair in the 93. I only had a 2012 pair, so I can't really say if this is how those look back then, but this is like more of a dull leather as opposed to that shiny, vibrant leather that like the 2012 and I think the 02 pair had as well. Now, nothing special with the shoe. It don't come with no special lacing, no special packaging. It's just, you know, your OG, true to the OG retro 9s that everybody, well, I can't say everybody, but that I love. They're the ones that I've been wanting for I don't know how long. So got it back in my collection. Glad to have them. Won't get rid of these this time. I'm holding myself to that promise. I'm gonna keep these this time because I do want to rock these. I miss rocking my pair I had from 2012. So this is a nice little, you know, retro they did for it. Like the color, like I said, it does look more brown than the olive, but it's like a more of like an olive tone of a brown. It don't look like just like a straight up like brown. It's like a, you know, you got that olive look to it. So it still has that olive look to it. Then like the hints of red over the whole shoe on the tongue where it says Air Jordan. Then you get the back with the little globe, all that stuff in the day. Focus is real quick, but like everything pretty much about the shoe itself, like it has that what you call that retro feel to it. It don't feel like they did no reimagining to it. It don't feel like it's a different shoe. It's the olive, what they say, it's the true to the OG Olive 9s. Like, you know, the same shape, same colorway to an extent, maybe like a little bit slightly different leather, but overall nothing too crazy or different from the OG pairs. Now I do want to say that QC on these shoes is terrible. Like, I don't know what's going on with Nike recently, but shoes have been getting mass produced and then be getting pushed out, and they just been looking like they just been rushing the shoes. Like, you see on here on the side, if y'all can see that if it focuses, but as I can see, it's like a lot of glue stains on there. I don't know, like, if that's something that's going on in the wear, they just rushing the shoes, but it's not like as, I don't know, it's like they don't really take their time with putting the craft and putting their hard work into the shoes a lot of times. It's like one of those special projects or something like that, but like when it comes to like general releases, the QC been kind of hit or miss. Like there's some that's like really great, and then there's some like this that has glue stains all over it, and then, you know, just other little small issues. But overall, besides that, now I'm really just looking at it, that's like the only major issue is just glue stains around the midsole. But as a whole, the shoe doesn't feel like it's any loose stitching anywhere. The leather is not a play. Well, not lie, there's a couple of loose stitches, but like I said, Nike can't be perfect, man. They've been kind of mass producing these shoes and kind of just putting out whatever, but overall, the shoe still looks great. Still one of my favorite pairs that came out this year. I'm glad I finally got them in my collection again. They weren't hard to cop, so if you did want these, hopefully you have to cop for retail. Resale is probably going under retail right now, if I'm not mistaken. I think there are some sizes that are going for like maybe like slightly above retail, but not much. But I'm pretty sure the prices will drop on these again soon, so maybe under retail or just right at retail. So if you do want these, they're not hard to get right now. Some stores probably still even got them on shelves. Like, you just go to your local City Gear, Foot Locker, whatever shoe store near you that you got, you know, in your neighborhood or your area, go inside there. I'm pretty sure that there are a few sizes still on shelves when your size, or maybe, you know, a size close to you can do like a size swap or something like that. But Overall, I'm still happy with the release. I'm glad I got this in my collection again. Very beautiful sneaker. You know, the details, the hits, the red Jumpman hits, just all the subtle details on the shoe makes me just so much more of a fan of it. Like I said, the red Jumpman hits, it really makes the shoe stand out so much more. That little subtle redness on the shoes, just, you get all olive and black, and you get like just the little subtle small hits of red like all over the shoe in just random spots. So I'm glad they did that. Stay true to the OG, didn't change nothing up with it. They didn't make no winterized boots or nothing that's crazy. They gave us the real deal OG olive nines, man. So I'm glad they did that. And like I said, these will be getting rocked. They won't be getting put away and thrown to the dust and with all the other shoes I don't like no more or something like that. But these will be getting worn. These will be getting wears out of me. We'll be keeping these. So hopefully if you did cop these, hopefully if you did want these, like I said, you were able to cop these. But all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel. Y'all getting my views up, my likes up, my subscribers constantly going up, man. I really wouldn't be where I am with this channel right now unless y'all was like, you know, supporting. So y'all really doing it. Y'all doing the thing. Y'all sharing the videos, of course, you know, man. And if y'all not sharing, make sure you are sharing. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. Make sure that friend tell another friend. All that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.